Hello, my sweet helper. Today we bake cookies.
First, we add flour and sugar. Now we stir, stir, stir. Butter makes cookies soft.
And now chocolate chips?
Exactly. Time to mix them in. Let's place them on the tray. Into the oven they go. Smells delicious. Fresh cookies are ready. Sharing makes them sweeter. Thank you for baking with Grandma.